podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to Père-Lachaise Cemetery in Rouen. Better known as the Monumental Cemetery, this cemetery, located in the northeast of the city, has an area of 10 hectares. Created in 1823, it houses many personalities. From the best known like Flaubert or Duchamp-Villon to the most unknown like Colonel Trupel or James Barker. Originally, this cemetery was created to respond to a request from notables of the time in order to benefit from a cemetery comparable to Père-Lachaise in Paris. It should be noted that this cemetery has several unusual features and stories. Let us mention, out of order, that it is the largest cemetery in the city with 22,000 graves. In 2019, it was labeled Remarkable Cemetery of Europe. The old cemetery includes an Israelite square and a Protestant square. Note also that there are unusual burials there, such as a granite tomb dominated by a menhir, a monument to the dead of the War of 1870, and a truncated obelisk decorated with a lyre in homage to the victims of the fire at the Arts Theatre, which took place in 1876. For information, a lyre is an ancient musical instrument with plucked strings, fixed to a resonance box. So, if you pass near this cemetery, I invite you to take a walk there while trying to find the graves of the few personalities mentioned in this podcast.